Hi, good morning. I am Madison from Grade 2E, Ryan International School, Sharjah. Today I came to the jungle to talk with endangered animals. Do you know what is endangered animals? The endangered animals means animals that have low population. In the future, that animal will no longer be there. That is an endangered animal. Come on, let's search for endangered animals. Hey, I see a tiger right there. Hey, tiger, can you come here? Hi, tiger. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine, but my friends and families are killed by hunters, so they are in danger.
Oh, I'm sorry of that. But can you tell about yourself, tiger?
I am a Bengal tiger. You know, I'm the biggest animal in the cat family. I am a wild animal. I live in jungle. I am a carnivore. I can run fast.
How do we identify you, tiger?
I have a reddish orange and black stripe in my body, so you can easily identify us.
Oh, that's nice. Where do you live? Can you tell me about your habitat?
We live in rainforest and grasslands. We live near the water always. We also prefer dense like caves, hollow trees, and very dense bushes.
What do you eat, Bengal tiger?
I hunt animals and eat them when I am hungry. And also, I eat fowl, fish, lizard, frogs, and crocodiles.
What is your lifespan, tiger?
I live for 25 years.
What is your baby called, tiger?
My baby is called Cub.
Why people are killing you?
Peoples are hunting us for my nails, claws, and my skin. Please save us. Please save forest. Please save all animals like us.
Thank you, tiger. Goodbye and stay safe. Friends, did you understand about the Bengal tiger? Tiger is a national animal of India. But now it is very less in numbers. So it is called endangered. Look at the tiger, mighty and strong. Killing them for their skin is very wrong. Please save tigers.